Hey guys, Liam from Killer Ink here, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the antimicrobial wash Hustle Bubbles Deluxe. So let's take a look. Hustle Bubbles Deluxe is everything you love about Hustle Butter in an antimicrobial skin cleanser. You can use Hustle Bubbles Deluxe as an alternative to green soap thanks to its antimicrobial properties. Hustle Bubbles Deluxe will decrease the bacteria on the skin while gently cleaning, soothing and nourishing the skin. To use, simply fill a rinse or spray bottle with Hustle Bubbles Deluxe and use to replace green soap and in-process washes. In addition, you can also use Hustle Bubbles Deluxe to keep fresh tattoos clean during the healing process. As with the entire lineup of products from Hustle Butter, the Hustle Bubbles Deluxe Antimicrobial Wash is all natural, vegan friendly, and it smells really good. Hustle Bubbles Deluxe comes in a 296ml bottle and is available as a single unit or in cases of 25 from Killer Ink via the link in the description below. So what do you think of the Hustle Bubbles Deluxe Antimicrobial Wash? Will you be getting this revolutionary refined rinse to replace your green soap? As always, let us know in the comments below. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can't knock the hustle.